In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your custom URL, and we're starting right now. Hi there, David Walsh here from davidwalshonline.com, where we help you grow your YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. We upload videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, and go live with the lockdown live stream every Saturday, 6 p.m. UK time to answer your YouTube questions. So you've got 100 subscribers on your channel. And you're now eligible for a custom URL. So I'm going to show you how to set this up in the brand new YouTube studio. So let's jump in. So here we see we have our youtube.com/channel/gobbledygook here. And so we want to pretty this up to have a custom URL. Now, to get a custom URL, you need to have four things. One is that you need to have your own custom channel banner and not have the art that they provide you with as a default. You need to have a channel icon as well. So the channel icon needs to be updated too. The channel needs to be older than 30 days. And the fourth thing is that you have over 100 subscribers on your channel. So once you get all of them, you will be then eligible to get your custom URL. So what we need to do is go to youtube.com/features. And if you've got a mobile device, whether that's a mobile phone or tablet, you can do the exact same. Just open up your browser on your device and go to youtube.com/features. And you'll see the exact same page. And on here, you can see if you are eligible or not. So it says here, you're eligible for your custom URL. Let's click on enable. And that brings us over to youtube.com/advanced. This is where we can claim our custom URL. So here it says right on the top, channel settings, you're eligible for your custom URL. Claim it, click here. So we can see it's giving us /Sam Rattling, and that's exactly what we're looking for. So once you've got what you want, click on I have read and agree to the custom URL terms of use. Then click on change URL, confirm choice. And it will take possibly a little bit of time for it to update. And we do a hard reset and all of a sudden, there it is. So we have our custom URL right there now. So that's basically how you quickly and easily get a custom URL on your YouTube channel. Now, a few things to note before you set up your custom URL is that if you are considering moving your channel from a personal to a brand channel, then you want to do that beforehand, because when you do go from a personal to a brand channel, you will actually lose the custom URL of your personal channel. Now, there's not many differences between the personal and the brand channel anymore, but if you do want to move it over to a brand channel, make sure to do that first. We've had a lot of problems with this in the past, and YouTube are not the easiest people to get hold of, especially during lockdown. So you want to set that up beforehand to make sure that you don't have that headache. Thankfully, you're not stuck with this custom URL. You can now change it. It used to be that you could only have one custom URL and that you were stuck with it. You can change it up to 3 times in 12 months. But that doesn't mean that you should pick anything. Make sure to pick something that you're happy with for the length of your channel. If you do decide to change it, then that's fine. Click the link in the card up there to watch the video on how to change your custom URL. It's also in the description below. But remember, if you do change your custom URL and people have your old URL, it will not automatically redirect. What's the custom URL you're going to create? Let me know in the comments area below. I'd love to know what that is. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We upload videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, and go live with our lockdown live stream at 6 p.m. UK time, where I answer your questions live. If you want to change your custom URL, make sure to watch that video there or watch more recommended videos here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.